Hi guys, I'm Mason. This is my first video on my dance channel. So yeah, since it's my first video, I'm going to do a pretty easy tutorial on a basic skill, a cartwheel. We all love cartwheels. So yeah, I'm going to get onto the stretches and then we're going to get onto the actual skill. So the skills you should do are the lunge, and make sure your knee doesn't go over your foot, then you won't get the actual stretch. You need to make sure you get it as straight as you can. Try and put your toes, and then bend this knee and then straight that leg, and go down. And then we're going to go into the lunge again and do this stretch for 5 seconds. So we also need to do some back stretches. This is what you call the seal. Put your legs up to your head, and if you can do your back bend. And finally, you can do your hand stretches, which will help you go around. So put your hands on the floor and then backwards, and then cross. And I think we've stretched officially. Oh, and by the way, if you see me wearing a coat, it's because it's really warm and nice. Right, let's just get onto the steps to get onto the skill. So first when you're doing your cartwheel, you're going to put your hands up by the ears, and then you're going to bend your knee a little bit, go down like that, and then over. So basically, bend your knee, your left hand, needle, and then right hand, bad leg, good leg. So after that, you should have your cartwheel. And after cartwheel, you can do your aerial, no-handed cartwheel. That's the same as an aerial. One-handed cartwheel, a pop cartwheel, and stuff. So yeah, this is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye guys. Actually, I think I might do a video next week on Thursday, I think, because I'm really bad at uploading. So bye.